Hi everybody, I'm Eva. Today I'm going to share the drawing to scale, which is the Maths Group Assignment Part B. The question is stroke 16 feet 4 inches and 70 feet 9 inches with the scale 3.5 cm equal to 1 meter. The pathway. Step 1. Change feet to inches. Step 2. Change inches to centimeter. Step 3. Change centimeter to meter. And take 2 decimal places. Step 4. Multiply scale. Take 1 decimal places. Step 5. Complete the drawing. Calculations. The 6 feet 4 inches and 17 feet 9 inches. The step, before we go through the detailed step, I would like to talk about the measurement. 1 feet equal to 12 inch. 1 inch equal to 2.54 cm. 100 cm is equal to 1 meter, and our scale is 3.5 cm equal to 1 meter. First of all, the 16 feet 4 inches we need to change to inches, which is 196, and then change the inches to centimeter, and we got 497.84 cm. And then change the cm to meter. Finally, multiplied the answer with scale, and we got 17.4 cm. And for the 17 feet 9 inches, we use the same method to change the feet to inches, and then change it to centimeters, and then change to meters. And finally, we got the answer of 18.9 centimeters. The draw counter is 17.4 cm and 18.9 cm. We take the first decimal places. Measurement and drawings. Thank you for watching.